guys, I just want to give you a little brief overview on how to find the mean. The mean is also called the average, so if you see the word average instead of mean, just know that these two are interchangeable. So either way, we're adding up all of the data and we're dividing by how many numbers there are to get our answer. So if you see here in this first problem, this is actually right off of your mean worksheet, that first one. So 2 easy points here by getting the answer through this video. So to find the mean, we're going to simply add up the numbers in the data set. So 6 plus 15 plus 16 plus 20 plus 13 plus 5 plus 10 plus 16. And so I came up with 101. And now we're going to take that 101 and we're going to divide by 8. And how I got 8 is that's how many numbers there are. So if you count these, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in this data set. So we'll take 101 divided by 8, and we get roughly 12.6. If you guys could round to the 10th spot, that's that one right after the decimal, that'd be awesome, but I'm okay. Whatever you want to round to, it works. The second problem, we're going to take 19 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 10 plus 5, and that gives us 60. And then I'm going to go ahead and count how many numbers there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we're going to take 60 divided by 6, and that'll give us 10. So this is how we find the mean, or the average. We're going to focus on this the entire week. All of our worksheets will be based on this. So I hope this was helpful, but if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me and let me know. Thanks.